So let us see into an interesting problem that is nothing but a pentagonal pyramid. So it is actually a pyramid which is truncated on the top. So like they just cut it, slashed, whatever. So they have given. See this thing you forget on the top they have placed a cylindrical slab. It's very easy to make the slab. So one of the previous videos I have showed you how to make this cylindrical slab. You just have to copy it from the center and place it on the center. That's it. Nothing else. See this line is there, right? So if I show you from the pen, you can see this is the box which was being made. So uh, from here the line goes. Okay, same like this. It will join here. So this line ka center you have to copy, move and place it on the center of this pyramid. If you there will be a perpendicular line like this. The center you have to place it. So much difference is not there. So okay, so we'll start. See in this what you have to remember. You have to join this full line. See, you can see this full length, right? You have to join that and get the length of it. See, that's what you have done. From here till here, you have to get the measurement. See, side is 50. This is 20. I think it's not that easy to explain in this thing. So let us move on to the software. So this was one of the previous problem which I had solved earlier in the previous video. Now we'll move on to the pyramid part. Okay. So here we should be having polygon. So sides, if I select array 5, enter. Distance, what it is there, shall we take 25? See, good, right? Or shall we change the distance and take it a bit more, 35? Because we had 2, right? I'll place it. How was it placed? Let us take like this. This is fine. Yeah, it was like this itself. Then I'll change this into 20. 20 is too much. We'll take 15. Hit enter. I'll come like this. Then okay, I'll place it for here for now. Okay, then I have to select the direction. Done. Hit escape. So if I take the line, join here, take this line, join here. From here, if I join array, not there, Z, opposites place. I have to take from here and join here. So I get this what to say, same way I have to do here first. I can't directly just move it. I think in system if you just put two lines it's more than enough because you get the intersection part, right? See this, obviously it will intersect again over there itself, but that's fine. So intersection, it should show intersection. Done. Now we'll delete the lines. Okay, no need to delete the lines. Control Z. I'll just trim. I have to trim this. Okay, I have to trim this, this, this. Then I have to put lines from here till this corner and from here till this corner. Escape. So now see the dimensions. See, this is actually an isometric. Why is it 50.86? Whatever, no problem. So there was a small slight error. We will take in this naming itself. Now I have to join the line from here till here. Okay, take its what to say, dimension. I'll select this, extend to next line. Okay, smart dimension. Now I want the line of this. See, now you got the values, right? So now according to these values I have to make my what to say, box. So see, right side it is 82.29. 82.29, type it and type 30°, hit enter. Then 78.26, hit enter. 150, hit enter. Then again 82.29, hit enter, minus 150, enter. Now you can just join it directly here. It will be perfect. So if I minimize this, see, here this is the side. Okay, so length here should be the middle point. Okay, this is the middle point, and I have to measure this. Do I have to? And from here center. So this is 50.86. So I have to divide 50.86 into two parts. So that will give me 25.43. Correct? If I take it 25.43, hit enter here. Then 25.43, hit enter, give here. So we should also take the length of this dimension is 53.43. So you have to take the same way. You have to take the length over here, and 53, see, 53.43. Okay, if I take 30°, okay, we'll take the 82.29, 30°. Okay, now I can join it on the center, join it here of the center, join it over there, join it like this. So see, I got my base for the pyramid. The same way, now I have to take the center of this, right? So if I go from here, and if I go from here, I will get the center easily. Now I simply have to take the height of this. Now see, I got the center, right? From here I have to take 60. See, in isometric there are what to say, its own values. So height is 60. Let us take a greater height. Okay, it's just an example, so I can take it as 90. 90 is fine, right? I'll take 90. Now what I have to do, the same way for the small box which is over here, I have to take the dimensions like that. So I'll just split it, this line until here. If I take smart dimensions, it says 33.54, and I have to put a line from here till here. So let's see what's the dimension of that smart dimension. If I take, it's 35.27. Okay, so same way how we did for this. So the 82 line was here, right? So this was 82, see, and this was, okay, this was 72, 8.26. Same way. Now what I have to do, I have to select this line, just create. So that is 35.27. 35.27, hit enter, 30, enter. Then 33.54, hit enter, 150, enter. Then again I have to 35.27, right? Yeah, correct. Then minus 150, enter. Then I will just join it over here. Okay. Then from here I have to mention, say 21.8. So if I divide, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. 21 means 10.5, 10.54. So from here, if I take the line as 10.54, same way, 10, sorry, 10.54, enter. Okay, this base is there. Now I need the height of the inner part. I'll just split it. See, it's very simple to draw in the system than in the book. So it's 20.73. I'll select the line 20.73. Hit enter. Okay, 20.73. Hit enter. Now I have to select the center. Go to this center. Move the whole thing. Copies off. Select the center point and place it on this. Okay, now select line. I have to join each points. Make sure you don't make any mistake while joining the points. Okay, so this is the axial line, so it will be like this. Okay, I have to select it over here. Okay, then I have to select the visible edges. 1, 2, even this. Okay, and change it to visible edge length. Here it is the hidden line, so you just do that changes. Remaining that's all, right? So it was very helpful and very easy to understand. So that's all you have to do for pentagonal pyramid if they ask for you in the examination.